nakakaigo sa legal education sa NDMU, no? Kaya along the way, we have to strictly follow with a number of restrictions. Or ining mga pamaagi o mekanismo kasi din ma-harness pa ang ilang ability, no? So at the end of the day, we target 2 things or 3 or more, no? One is, of course, they have to be capacitated to pass the bar examinations. Kaya hindi maging madula ang bar examinations at the end of the day. Kaduha, we have to strengthen the legal, tawag naman na clinical legal education program, no? They have to be practice ready and they have to be responsive to the needs of the community in line with the mission vision of the Maris Brothers, no? Of the Notre Dame of Marbella University. So aside from their professional growth as a legal professional in the legal profession, di ba? Their makeup, no, their overall makeup should be embodying the concept of Maris community or Maris service, no? So kinanglan gid na siya. And then you also have to look at the concept of buying experience, no? Hindi lamang ang lawyer good sa court, the lawyer can also be good in any other kind of ventures, no? Kaya we are happy to share with you. We are involving ourselves sa mga summit for the legal education, like clinical legal education. We also involve ourselves with the externship program with the Office of the Solicitor General, no? Isa sa mga students naton si Miss April Abincula na admit sa aton nga externship program o internship program sa OSG successfully, no? So we are trying to involve and then other partners in the community like government agencies na makita sang lawyer, the lawyering is not only in court but also in other aspects of the mechanisms sa Philippine society, no? It can be in public service, it can be in socio-civic activities, no? It can be in legal academe, no? It can be in so many other aspects na pwede mag-intra ang aton mga graduates.
Okay. So by this time po, attorney, panawagan niyo po, especially po kunan rin namin kayo ng mensahe. Ano po yung gusto niyo iparating na mga mensahe sa mga nakapasa po nating mga Maris lawyers? Siyempre, panawagan niyo rin po sa lahat ng mga bagong abogado ng Pilipinas.
Unang-una, binabati natin sila, no? Congratulations to them. Their hard work has given them the opportunity to harvest, no? Kumbaga pa, yung mga hirap at preparations nila eventually gave them the fruits of their labor. And it's an honor and privilege, as we always said. Kami po ay nagagalak, kami po ay honored that you have chosen us, you have given us the opportunity to facilitate your the realization of your dreams of becoming lawyers, no? So please take advantage correctly, no, of this opportunity given to you. Make use of it not only to enrich yourself in your profession, but also to remember that the legal profession is there to enrich the community, to enrich the Philippine society as a whole. Look at it as one important element in nation building, no? And also, we would like to extend our gratitude, no? We really are grateful to the Notre Dame of Marbella University and to the Maris Brothers for entrusting their confidence in us, no? The members of the faculty and the administration of the College of Law. And kudos, of course, to the heroes behind, no? the faculty members of the NDMU College of Law. And to all of the parents who gave out their trust and confidence in us, to the respective children and siblings and all, for the last 4 years or 5 with the children. Thank you very much. No, we hope that we're able to deliver and provide you the best so far that we can give. And lastly, so long as we are here and you have your trust and confidence in us, we will continue to work. We will continue and hold on to our commitment.
Okay.
Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo tanan.
Madamo gid nga salamat, attorney. Once again, congratulations sa NDMU College of Law. Kag syempre
Salamat.
sa mga bago naton nga mga abogado nga marista. Thank you, attorney.
Salamat.